Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, as you can see, I have in zoom in on my website. So if you want to zoom out, you can actually head over and just use this right here. So just click on 100% and then this will be able to zoom you out up to 50%. So as you can see right here, we only have the option to 50% and for 100%. If you tried zooming out manually on your browser, as you can see, it will affect your things like this. And you can actually just use that in order to zoom out, but it has a certain limit on how it will be zoomed out on your actual browser. So just click on this again in order to reset it, but you can also just use the built-in zoom in and zoom out on your Wix website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with how to zoom out on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it's helped me reach more people. See you soon!